Meet the smallest UniFi switch with a serious punch, the Flex Mini 2.5G. This tiny beast can push multi-gig speeds and it's perfect for prosumer, home lab and the UniFi fans which was waiting for the 2.5G magic. So today we'll be taking a test on the real world speed and we'll be compare this Flex Mini 2.5G with the previous Flex Mini 1GB switch. Let's plug in and find out. This is my UniFi network right now. I'm running everything on the CloudKey Gen 2 Plus. I do have a Hostify, but right now I'm testing something. So I've just switched back to the CloudKey Gen 2 Plus. So on my network, you can see I have Flex Mini switch currently running, and somehow it is connected to fast Ethernet. I will check the cable later. But I will be upgrading that Flex Mini 1GB switch to the Flex Mini 2.5G, which I have in my hand. So we'll take a quickly look into the comparison between these two switches. So right now I've opened the comparison of the Flex Mini 2.5G and the Flex Mini. As you know, the price comparison the Flex Mini 1GB is $29 and the Flex Mini 2.5G is $49. But you will see a slightly difference in the dimensions because it is looking quite big as compared to the older Flex Mini. And here you will get all 5 ports as 1GB, and here all 5 ports are 2.5GB. So backward you can go to 1GB, 100M and 10M. Both form factor are same as a compact desktop, but you will see the slightly improvement in the performance as the switching capacity is 25 Gbps on the Flex Mini 2.5 compared to that Flex Mini which is only 10 Gbps, and the total non-blocking throughput is also higher, is 12.5 Gbps as compared to the 5 Gbps, and the forwarding rate, as you can see the difference. So the MAC address table size is also increased up to 4000, and you can see the supported VLANs somehow it shows less as compared to the Flex Mini. It shows 1000 VLAN but it shows 250. I will take it, I will test that, and it support all layer 2 features, but the Flex Mini switch does not support the 1GB RSTP and the STP, but this switch Flex Mini 2.5G support those two features. As you can see, everything is supported. Even it is supported the loop protection, which was not supported on the Flex Mini. And here you can see the maximum power consumption was also, because this switch is 2.5, so it will go up to 5 watt when you use the AC or DC input. But if you use the PoE in with the input, it goes up to 6.4 watt, and it just go up to 2.5 watt. And the power method is also, you can either power with the type C 5V DC 1 ampere, or you can use the PoE, you can power with the PoE switch on it. And it also got a USB input PoE, and power supply is you get usually power supply out of the box like here, which is a you can see here, 5V DC 1 ampere. And both the management are Ethernet, and you can see the heat dissipation excluding PoE output, so you can see the value here. And the weight is also high as 206 gram as compared to the previous, and you can check the ambient temperature, everything. So these two Flex Mini switch does not have SSS, so you have to make sure these devices, the Flex Mini and the Flex Mini 2.5 does not have any SSS options. So the other options like to adopt, you can either go with the DSCP option 43, or you can use our Hostify device discovery tool like I will show here. Here the device discovery tool, you will connect the switch on the same network and click on scan. It will scan everything, and you can just adopt, and you can put the set inform URL, and it is quite easy to adopt. But right now I'm running on the CloudKey Gen 2 Plus, so it will just plug and play. I will connect from the PoE switch, which is powering. I think the uplink will be the Enterprise 8 PoE switch, as you can see here, which has 2.5G all interface. So it also has a PoE, plus its maximum power capacity is 120 watt. So I will use this, I will remove the cable from this Flex Mini switch, and I will connect the Flex Mini 2.5G. Let's do that. As soon as I will remove the cable from the Flex Mini 1GB switch, you will see it will get disconnected and it will say offline. So right now I have connected the new Flex Mini 2.5G on the network. So I will be waiting for it to show adoption. So right now I think it is booting, it is blinking, white. So the cloud key was asking for an update. So as you know, I'm running early access, so it was asking for an update, and I just click, and the update went fine. As you can see, is here 4.2.9. and I have plugged the Flex Mini switch 2.5 and removed the Flex Mini 1 gig older switch, Flex Mini 1 gig switch. So right now it shows here, click to adopt, and I will show you once it is adopted. And I have connected all the devices on that. I mean, all the switch ports are utilized on that Flex Mini switch, and it is adopting. Okay, so right now you can see it is showing under the port manager. We will take a look into everything. So right now you see it is connected, the uplink switch is enterprise 8 PoE, which is also to 2.5G. So this switch is getting the 2.5G on the switch port. I can utilize that, and all other devices are support 1 gig only. As you can see, this is the Apple TV, and this is I think this is the Edge Router X, and this is one of my Cloud Gateway Ultra, which also you can see is going, and this is a Raspberry Pi. So everything got connected. I will take a look into the Cloud Gateway Ultra and see what's going on with the Cloud Gateway Ultra, because that switch port is also connecting and reconnecting, disconnecting, so I'm not sure. I will check the cable back later. So you can see here it is asking for an update. Right now it is running the 2.0.5 version, but you can see here everything like the parent devices, the uplink, it's USW 8 PoE port 3 and the 5 port, and you can see the current power 4.14 watt, and you can see the down packets and up packets, and you can see everything is same. Here you can see the inside, the stats of the CPU and the memory, and from here settings you can change everything. Like if you want to put on the static IP or a DHCP, you can set that. And also one thing you will see here, it got a priority option which the previous Flex Mini does not have, so you can set the priority on this. So right now this switch is a 4096 priority, because the uplink switch is a USW aggregation switch. So I have to set the priority on this Flex Mini switch to 8192, and I've done that, and I will click on to update to latest version 2.1.8. So you have seen that this was the easy steps to update the Flex Mini switch and adopt it on the UniFi network, and you have seen the comparison. I'm not sure how to test the speed, but you have seen it is connected with the 2.5G interfaces right now. So you can check it is connecting and negotiating to 2.5G, which is a good thing. And if I have any other devices on my network which support 2.5 gig, I can utilize that. But you can see right now it is supported on the Cloud Gateway Ultra. So I can show you the Cloud Gateway Ultra, the WAN port, it is connected to the Flex Mini switch, and I think that right now the Flex Mini switch is updating. That's why I think it is went down. I think, yeah, it is updating. So we should give it some time for an update, and then we can take a look into the Cloud Gateway Ultra. So it is up to date now, you can see here, and I can just go to the Cloud Gateway Ultra and see if I get an access to that. Yeah, so you have seen that UXW Flex Mini 2.5G all 5 port or 2.5 is adopted successfully, and all the devices are connected and they are getting better transmit and so you can see the download packets and upload packets. Under the port manager of the switch port, you can see the settings like you can untag the native network, and you can even tag, and under the manual operations you can even set the switch as a switching or mirroring. You can't do an aggregate, and here the link speed is automatically negotiate. I have set, so it is connecting 2.5, but you can get Ethernet port profile, port isolation, storm control, and the loop protection, which was not available on the Flex Mini 1 gig. Even you can set the spanning tree protocol, and even you can set the egress rate limit like on this switch. So as compared to the previous Flex Mini 1 gig, this switch has a better performance. And as you can see here, it supports all RSTP and STP, loop protection, and even you can set a priority on the switch port. So, and this is running the latest version 2.1.8, and you can see the maximum power consumption and everything. So I hope that's it for today's video. If you guys have any question, please comment down, and please make sure to check this video and let me know in the comments if you like or not. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.